What's going on, guys? So we're out here with the truck and we are going to be making two separate videos talking about the exhaust. First video, which is going to be this video, we're going to be talking about what I have and what is true duals. The next video is going to be true duals versus straight pipes. So let's go ahead and hop into what is true duals. So I'm sure many of y'all have seen my video saying that I straight piped my 2018 Chevrolet. That was a little bit of clickbait because this isn't really straight piped. So let's go ahead and check it out. So true duals can mean a couple things, but for my specific exhaust, let's see if we can get under here. All right, there is one pipe coming off the driver's side manifold. This is the passenger side. As you can see, there is a catalytic converter, if I'm seeing it correctly. Yeah, over there's one, here's one. So I have two on here. Third has been removed. Then if you look, those are two individual pipes that run all the way back. All right. There's one pipe. Let's see if we can get under here and see it. Okay. Two individual pipes. One comes out here, one comes out there. There is no crossover. There's no X pipe, there's no H pipe, there's no Y pipe. Two individual exhaust pipes. So that is what true duals is. Two separate pipes. I guess technically you could still be true duals even if you have an H or an X pipe, but true duals is saying you have two pipes coming back. So like I showed you, there's two, because from the factory they connect here as one and then go back. Some people will do the Y pipe, which is it keeps the one going back and then splits off at the rear so that you have two exhaust pipes coming out the back. So true duals is two pipes all the way back, true and then duals. You can have mufflers on a true dual setup. You can have everything. I mean, you can still have cats, mufflers, resonators. It's not saying that it's straight piped, it's saying that it is true duals. So even though I don't have a cat, a third cat, I don't have a muffler, I don't have a resonator, mine's true duals. You can still have a muffler, you can still have resonators, you can still have cats, and it be true duals. But it is two pipes running back from each side. You've got your left and your right exhaust manifolds. That's gonna have its own pipe going all the way back the truck. That is true duals. So hopefully that does answer y'all's questions of what true duals is. My specific setup is two stock cats. That's it. Then you have two individual pipes running all the way back. No muffler, no resonator. However, like I said, you can have a muffler and everything and still be true duals. It's just saying that you have two pipes going all the way back. And that definitely tends to make your truck more choppy. Obviously you have unequal length exhaust because your driver's side has got to come all the way over to the passenger side and then go back, and then it's got to go over to the driver's side exit. So your driver's side exhaust is a good bit longer than your passenger. I guess you could flip them at the end technically. No one ever does that, but I guess you could flip them at the end to where the passenger goes to the driver, and that would somewhat equal them out. However, I mean, you can notice a slight difference in the sound between the two pipes just because one is shorter, but that's something you gotta, listen for and be up close to it. But not really anything, that's just normal. That's just how trucks and cars, and well, not cars because they run down the center typically, but that's how trucks are. So hopefully this does answer your questions of what is true duals. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. And then expect the next video is me explaining the difference between, I guess I'll do a Y pipe, true duals, straight pipes, everything that I've had, and hopefully answer the rest of the questions. So y'all look forward to that video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.